Welcome to school. Condemn human being, condemn person. Condemn iron, condemn aluminium, condemn person. Obutu. Jesus Christ,
you're your classmate. What are you doing here?
My brother, you know, as we finish school that time now, now come Lagos, come find work. The only work I see, they employ me by 8 o'clock. By 8:30, they say, man, I don't work, they don't sack me with that.
Wow!
Oh,
how bad here?
My brother, you don't take.
Hey!
Now you want to be this?
This is how we roll.
Serious? Now you get this model? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh.
Come. Let me give you something.
You mean now? Oh, God. Which day my own thing could go up like this? Oh, Jesus. See my classmate that time for school.
You see, I don't say na cashless society now, and I'm not getting shit. So you will just call me the evening. You just do one-on-one.
What are you saying?
It wasn't funny. I said the guy was just nothing. Imagine him coming to tell me that he could challenge me.
Are you serious?
That was the least thing he would tell me now.
No problem. Thank you very much.
Wow.
I for your correct your number if you say I go to.
No, they stay there now. Manage that one.
What are you doing in my car?
Sorry, sir.
What's the meaning of that?
What's all this?
Sorry, sir.
Huh?
What's all this now?
Oh yeah, that's what the business give to this guy.
Why you talk to the person who get money to the
Sorry?
And then my room is very dirty.
Okay, sir.
Make sure you clean my room, clean everywhere, tidy up everywhere.
Don't forget to see the whole company like that.
Yes, ma'am.
And make sure you wash your car clothes.
Yes,
Right.
Jesus Christ, oh no! Keep quiet. You told me you go agree say you be houseboy. You didn't hear the talk nonsense. Say I hear they stay with them. I hear they stay with.
see that guy? That's my partner. See, you know, I just enter Lagos now. You understand? So I need somewhere to go to stay.
True God, if I wipe you this thing,
On Monday. Is it easy with you and you are pushing truck?
Now
You say for Lagos, you go open your eye.
now why you can't talk to me here? Come and talk nonsense. Now you get the motor. Now you get everything.
Oh, you want to return the money? Bring it.
Take this nonsense. But now me supposed give you money, sir.
You get money. Come on, great you.
I put you inside this place now. Come out of this nonsense you put for this place. You go come for Lagos, you go see person will get problem. The advice person will get the same problem. Idiot. Come. That's nonsense. Condemn iron, condemn person. SCHOOL2.
Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for love and your support. Keep subscribing, watching on YouTube and following us, liking our page. We appreciate so much. Thank you.
I will be contact before you go shoot person.
Welcome to SCHOOL2.